Today we're behind the wheel of a very special Miata, and I'm going to take you guys along for the ride. So as I'm sure you know by now, this is my 1989 NA Miata that has been V6 swapped with the Honda Odyssey engine, and it's an absolute ripper now. As you can see, we've got the laptop here in the passenger seat. We're just monitoring some of the vitals, but nothing really to be concerned with. We're just out for a nice little cruise right now, and I figured I'd take you guys along while I'm out. Again, just like listen to the sound, man. And the power, oh. This really is how a Miata should have been from factory. I mean, turbos are fun and all, but the power delivery, you just can't get over it with the V6. I mean, I've been in a lot of Turbo 4s, and sure, it's a lot of fun, but this just is a different experience altogether. So we're gonna get some cool driving clips in here today. It's nice lighting, it's a nice cool day, the car's running good. That guy was biking in the sketchiest place possible. One thing we got to be careful about when we're on these back roads here is, you know, during the day there's definitely going to be people walking on them, so nothing too crazy, you know, just about the speed limit. Just enjoy the drive, bring you guys along, see what it's like to be in an NA Miata, and you know, hopefully something interesting happens. There was a nice backfire there. So one of the pretty unique things about this build is going to be it has VTEC, and I know that's a pretty uncommon thing to hear with, you know, V6 and VTEC. A lot of people, when I say VTEC, they think, hey, he's got a K-swap or, you know, some other Honda four-cylinder garbage, but the truth is this is a V6 that has VTEC, and the VTEC kick is at 4,800 RPM, and let's just say you can definitely hear it. It makes for a very fun driving experience because, oh man, it has all the torque down low and all this hidden power up top with the VTEC, and it's just a really wild ride. Probably one of my favorite features of this car has to be the fact that it just cruises unbelievably well. Very quiet, very smooth. This has frame rails, good summer tires. It can just sit at low RPMs and still feel like, you know, a peppy fast car. It's really a special thing. We're driving into the sun. Visibility. Not great. Oh yeah, it's blinding. Just enjoying a nice cruise right now. The best part about the NA is this open top. Can't be cruising around in style like this. All right, I'm gonna want to turn around up here, so. Not sure if you guys can hear that on the video, but that would be our power steering pump. Not sure if it's broken or not, but it definitely makes a bit of a whine at low speeds, so. Go. wasn't quite full throttle, but that was pretty close. Yeah, I think it's a good idea to just take this off for now. Clean up the interior here a little bit. Get rid of this ugly yellow stuff. Oh, that's not working. Oh no. Oh no, I latched it into it. Okay, no, I got it out. We're good. All right, should we try heel toe one more time here? See if we can get it. Nope. I don't know if it's just because my feet are so, like, not the right size, or the pedals are just a bit in the wrong spot. I feel like I was able to do it on my last car, but just not on this one for some reason. Oh, these nice, straight, smooth country roads. I mean, they're a little twisty, not that straight, but just the smoothness of them. It's just so nice in this car. And the steering wheel's pretty centered. I don't know, the road's definitely sloped that way. Graded off to the side. Got a biker here, we'll give him plenty of space, which in a Miata is, you know, easy to do. Definitely looks busy right now. Unlike your stereotypical Miata, this thing is now like a certified sleeper, and unbelievably quick at that as well. You know, 230 wheel horsepower, or if you want to say like more like 270, 280 horsepower in general. Doesn't sound like an insane amount by today's standards, but when you pair that with just how light this car is and how short the gearing is, this is truly like an incredibly fast car. And if you look at the background right now, the background looks just incredible on my phone. On this camera over here recording, and man, just enjoying it. That's really what it is all about, eh? Just out for a cruise. One hand on the steering wheel, the other on the shifter. 20 bucks in gas just in the last pull alone. So worth it. Check out the view on my left. Unbelievably nice. We got a little Porsche up there. Pretty cool. Beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video here. You know, like, comment, subscribe. But, you know, more importantly, just let me know what you want to see down below, and I'll keep doing the best that I can to make that happen. So, until the next one.